So friends, if you have Kotak debit card but you don't remember its PIN, then no need to worry, because in this video I'm going to tell you how can you easily change the debit card PIN using Kotak 811 application. So before going ahead, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Kotak 811 app in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Over here you can check out your account balance, but if you want to change debit card PIN, then for that you need to go to bank option. Over here, you get card center option. If you go down, you can simply tap on view details option and you can check out your card details. And if you go to settings, you have an option of set or reset ATM PIN over here. So this is one way to go to that particular page. Another way is down here directly you get an option of settings. So if you select settings option, again you go to the same page. So if you tap on set or reset PIN, it will directly ask you to set your new PIN. Make sure that the PIN you are about to set should not be in sequence, and you should not use repetitive numbers like 111, 111 or 222, 222 or 1 2 3 4 5 6. The numbers like that, you should avoid it. So I have entered the new PIN over here. You can see it has accepted the number. Simply tap on confirm PIN option, and on the next page you have to confirm the new PIN. And as soon as you enter the new PIN, you can see you get an option of new PIN set successfully. And if you want to make some additional changes, you can simply go to card control or limits, and you can do domestic changes, or you can set limit, and also you can do the same for international as well. So yeah, this is how simple it is to change debit card PIN in Kotak 811 application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.